the growing expat population in Bangkok and the city's thrilling tourism industry continuously increase demand for rental properties. Bangkok is a popular destination for short-term and long-term rentals, making it the ideal market for property investors seeking a steady rental income. Sukhumvit City Resort is a high-rise condominium in a prime location on a popular Soi Sukhumvit 11. It's surrounded by numerous amenities and essential places such as the popular Villa Market, Terminal 21, NIST International School, and only 500 meters from Bumrungrad International Hospital. That perfectly meets the needs of urban lifestyles, making this condominium so popular for foreigners to own their apartment in Bangkok. Sukhumvit City Resort is one of very few projects in Bangkok where all foreign freehold quota is sold. Today I will show you a 2-bedroom apartment that is available now in Sukhumvit City Resort, and this property is available for foreign freehold ownership. With a cosmetic renovation, a buyer can get either the perfect place to live or an attractive rental yield generator. This condo is available now exclusively by CondoDee, and we will be happy to show you this property. Contact us, see contact details on the screen of the video as usual. You should click a like button to subscribe to our channel and click a bell to receive alerts about other properties in Bangkok that make sense. I'm Win-Win at CondoDee Eternal Property. Enjoy this video tour. Bye!